All right, so this is about magical games. The obvious question after that is, what are magical games? So, magical games are games that are played for the purpose of getting better at magic. And by magic, I mean the occult version, the occult variety of magic. I'm not necessarily talking about stage magic or sleight of hand. This came out of an experiment involving the unholy marriage of productivity systems with lean manufacturing and gamification mechanics, actual magic itself, hypnosis, and the like. So it's very much the coagula of things that had been very solve for the purpose of building a magical world and making your world more magical by improving your ability to do magic and your ability to enjoy and appreciate your life and to help others do the same. This is about the acquisition of power and the distribution of power. It's about the forming of community and working together and learning from each other. At its base, it's a productivity system that uses what I call the MGOS, Magical Game Operating System 1.0, MGOS, or MAGOS, if you will. And it uses that to organize the events of your life. I am Devi Baba. I'm the character that created all this stuff. But in my tax-paying life, I am Christopher Swift, the owner of White Rabbit Hypnosis, and I'm a professional hypnotist. So these feedback mechanisms and reinforcement schedules and behavior building strategies, these are a thing that I'm very well versed in and very, very interested in, and which I think will be very useful for the community of magic users. A term I will be using specifically here to separate it from what's done in theory. If you're playing the magical game, you're doing magic. This might not be the best place to get your introduction to magic, but it's not like you need to bring a whole lot to it. That's what this is for. It's for leveling up. And so in the days and weeks ahead, I'm going to be doing more content like this. At the website for this, there's already a bunch of the philosophical underpinnings of the whys and the ways I'm thinking about this, all the information about finite and infinite games and things like that, as well as a little bit of tech that you can use just to improve your life today. You'll notice that this actually goes in parallel with the whiterabbithypnosis.com blog until now, because we finally reached a point where the philosophical underpinnings are established and they can kind of both go their separate ways. There'll be more about that later as well. Really just wanted to stop and do an introductory video introducing myself. For the purpose of this channel, I am Devi Baba. If you see me in the world, I'm Devi Baba. If you want to hire me, that's over at whiterabbithypnosis.com. This is where we talk magic. This is where we talk leveling up and re-enchanting the world. I hope to help you get some extra power in this world. I hope that you can help me develop this into something bigger. So if you're one of the rare ones that's interested in the prospects of what happens when you take your entire life and turn it into a magical game, I would love for you to join me. What's going forward after this is going to be instruction on how to build your own, how to assemble your own lightsaber, as it were. It's going to be about how to design things that specifically address your issues, and also how to create games for other people that can be played inside of this operating system. So there's a lot to throw out right there, but I wanted to at least get started. No doubt there will be better videos. This will improve with iteration, as do most things. And yet, done is better than perfect. Glad to meet you. I'm Devi Baba. Reach out to me if you want. Devi Baba at the-magical-game.com. I'll put that the link for the site in the description. And looking forward to bringing you the weird and wonderful world of magical games to see how we can work together to have a more playful and exciting and adventurous experience of life. Looking forward to collaborating with all you other magic users and curious souls. Be seeing you.